In Jamui, a fresh case has come to light of loot and harassment of women, that too on a train. Here's a report. The Kolkata-Gorakhpur-Purvanchal Express was located between the Jasidi-Jhanja railway station when rogues indulged in chain pulling near the Tulsidand-Lahaban halt. They not only looted valuables from passengers, but they also tried to harass women who were travelling. A total of 18 to 19 people were injured in the process. The loot was reportedly given shape in the AC coaches. Rogues were able to loot valuables which were worth rupees 10 to 12 lakhs.
कुछ नहीं, मेरे रिंग के लिए थे और पैसा मेरा बैग में लेके जा रहे थे। मैंने बोला मेरा बच्चे का सामान है तो मत लीजिए, तो बैग पूरा खोल के सारा बैग चेक किया, उनको पैसा वैसा कुछ मिला नहीं, तो मेरा बैग छोड़ दिया और कैश जो था वो ले गया।
Victims of loot and harassment claim even though they were in pain, there was no one to attend them.
मरीज तड़प रहा था, कोई एम्बुलेंस की व्यवस्था नहीं, प्रशासन के अधिकारी नहीं आ रहा।
Powered by NNIS.